welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have got a massive unboxing to show you. I've got I'll say it's a massive unboxing. It's kind of two, but I've put them in the same video. So this first box is sort of like almost foundation stuff. I think that's the right way to describe it. And then the second box is what I would call the more fun stuff, like this massive box of colours. Although there's some good stuff in here too. In fact, it's all good stuff. I've honestly, when this arrived, I was so excited. So these are the Blingline wipes. These wipes are lint free like they say they are, and they're amazing. The lady who developed the Blingline system, Karen, says that you can do a whole set of nails just using 3 of these wipes, and I have done it, so it is doable. And the next thing is the cleanser. So I don't have any Blingline cleanser. I've been using alcohol, but this is the cleanser. When this runs out, I will buy a new. They do a massive bottle, so I'm going to get the big bottle next time. So we've got, excuse me, we've got the wipes and the cleanser. Very important things to have doing gel nails. Then I've got some, I just get so excited. So everything comes here, as you can see, it's all vacuum packed, and it's inside your box with those little packing peanuts. That's what they are. So everything's packed really nicely. I've got Prep Step here. So Prep Step is what you would use to dehydrate and just sort of cleanse the nail bed, and then you go in with the ONL Primer. This is an acid-based primer, so you only need a teeny tiny amount. I will show you. I'll have to do my own nails at one point. It's just difficult to do my own nails on the next time I do my infill. I'll have to do it on the I'll have to show you guys. So this is the fiber gel. They do 2 different, well, it's the same fiber gel, but it's 2 different colours. Well, this is not a colour. This one is the clear. So the fiber gel has got little tiny fibres running through it. I was trying to get up to see if I could see them, but I couldn't actually see them, but they are in there. This is good for, the fibres just give that extra strength. So for people that have like really weak nails or that break a lot, the fiber gel would be quite good. I might try that next time actually. And then they also do the fiber gel in natural. So this is good for people who want extensions but aren't allowed them, because this would come across like it looks quite yellow in the pot, but that's because it's all condensed. Once you've got a little bit on like your free edge, it would look more like, for instance, my natural nails. Let me show you. It would look more like a natural nail like mine. I've got the Cool One Step gel overlay on my nails at the minute, but my nails are getting so long. I love that. My nails absolutely love the gel system. Acrylic just was not my system. I would get lifting, honestly. Anyway, I just can't tell you how much I'm in love with gel. So I've got now the Builder Gel in pink. I did not realise they'd done a pink Builder Gel. I don't know why. I did not think this, but yeah. Anyway, if you're qualified in hard gel but you want to move over to Blingline, they do a come on over course, which is free to do, and they will explain and show you all the products. So it's worth doing if you want to give the Blingline gel a go. I thoroughly would recommend it. I'm going to show you the pink one next to the Cover Gel Warm Pink. So the Cover Gel is like a cover gel, but they're kind of the same. They're both a more thick viscosity, so they're not self-leveling. The pink one, I absolutely love the pink. I love the warm pink one, but I just love the pink one. I just love pinky pinks. I don't know what it is with me. I just like a big pink, like a bit of pink. I do. Right, Perfect French Gel. So this is obviously what it says. It's good for doing your French nails. I am going to have to do videos using all of these different products so that you can see them in action. So this is, you can see this is very pigmented. You only need a very thin amount of this, and you can see this is it's like it self levels, this one, but you wouldn't put this on like a builder gel. This one, you need thin layers so that it cures all the way through. So that is the perfect French gel. That's so bright as well. Really nice bright white, that one. Okay, and then we have got, what have I got next? Oh, the Wet Finish. Right, I didn't open this because my lovely friend Karen sent me a little 5ml pot of this. So this is the Wet Finish. It looks violet or like purpley, but it's not. It's actually clear, but that sort of tinge helps reduce the yellowing, any yellowing that you might get. So yeah, that's why it looks violet. And then I've also got some matte finish gel. I love this. I use this on the bonfire, the fire set of nails that I done, and in the pot, look, it looks really cloudy, but it does cure clear, and it leaves the, like, because I done this over glitter, and it does leave the glitter looking sharp still. Sometimes I put a matte top coat on and the glitter looks, I don't know, I can't explain it, but this is the perfect matte top coat for if you want your glitters matted, matte finished. Anyway, they also popped in, this is one of the luxury gel, luxury glitter hard gel colours that they sent me. This is what got me putting in another order. This, how stunning is this? The coverage of these are absolutely amazing. This one was called Felizia, I think it was called. Felizia, I don't know, but you saw it on the pot. Oh, it's just stunning. I love it so much. They've also got some new, the Blingline gel polish. They've also got some glittery ones, and they kindly sent me Bailey. How good. Again, look, they're not really, well, this one's not really a glittery. It's got more like, it's almost like there's very tiny flakes of almost like, how would, you know, like gold leaf. It looks a bit like really tiny bits of gold leaf, but it's probably not, but it's really, oh, they're really pretty. Then, how cool, you've seen me use these in a video already. These are their neon bling inks. These are so much fun. I love the inks. So I use these to do some Halloween designs. Was it at the beginning of this week or at the end of last week? I think it was. So go and check that out if you haven't seen. If you want to see these in action, go and check out that video. I did use some of the other inks as well, but these are really fun and they're really bright. I love them. Okay, this is the second order. This is my order that I made. Oh, I can't tell you. Just the excitement when this arrived yesterday. I was like, oh god. Anyway, right, again, everything comes vacuum packed. I had to get some. I wanted to try the Neo Nail, so this is a non-wipe top coat. I got matte and glossy, so I want to try those because the ones I've got at the moment all have tacky layers, so I thought it'd be nice to try the others. Anyway, I got lots of on the Little Nail Shop website, if you type in luxury glitter, you will get all of their luxury glitter hard gels come up. Some of these aren't, actually this was 2 orders that they shipped in one, because someone posted Helen, they posted a set using Helen, and I was like, oh my god, I needed that, so I ordered like 6 more colours or something. So this is Jackie. I'm going to do the glitters first. I have swatched them off screen because otherwise this video would have been so long, but this is Jackie, and they are, oh, I just love them so much. Oh, this is Desiree, I'm going to call it Desiree. This is actually one of my favourites. It's the most amazing coppery gold, and it applies like an absolute dream. This is it swatched. I have swatched them on the underside of the swatch pops, 1 or 2 of them, because I didn't buff the inside of the pops. Some of the gel has sort of started to come away, so I'll show you. You'll see like a little gap, but it's nothing to do with the gel, it's because I'd done it on a shiny surface. Anyway, this one was Merrelease. I love this one as well. Oh, I'm just so in love with these colours. I cannot tell you how much. Honestly, if you'd have seen me opening them when I swatched them, I was like, oh, oh my God. I was like, honestly, I was so sad. Oh dear, this is another, was that Kimberly? I think that was Kimberly. This is another sort of plummy red. Do you know what? I wish I had some of these for a few weeks ago, because I would have used some of these for autumn nails. Really gorgeous colours. Juliet, this is more of a reddy, it's almost got, I'd say like a brown, almost like a hint of like a browny red. No, yeah, browny red, not a reddy brown. But again, this would have been good for autumn as well. I suppose you could use it for a Christmas set. I cannot wait for Christmas. Diana, this one's gorgeous. This one, you could do some winter sets with this. Oh yes, she's lovely. They had a few shades of blue, but I didn't want to get all of them because I thought there's no point getting all of them. But this one I particularly liked. She looks really nice swatched, doesn't she? Oh my goodness. And then the next one. Now, I know some people don't like, I love a green, and I absolutely love this, Noelle. It's the most amazing, I just love it. And look at it swatched. Isn't that just beautiful? How can you not like green? It's a Christmas colour, and I love lime. Oh, I love greens. Oh, Chloe, this one, this would have been amazing for Halloween. I think I've missed the boat on this one now because it's 2 days to go, and I don't think I'm going to get a set done. But Chloe, it's like, I'm not sure if it's just silver or if it's gold, because it's got like a hint of gold, like it's like a silvery gold. I know that sounds really weird, mixed in with a dark grey gel, but it was really, really nice. This one is Estelle. She is gorgeous. Oh my God, you're gonna love this one. It's like I was like, is that grey? But it's not. It's like a very pale lilac, like a steely lilac. I'm so rubbish at describing things, aren't I? But she is, look, she's beautiful. Lilac. It's like a very lilac-y silver. Really nice. Love that one. And then this is like one of my favourites, because we all know I like a bit of purple. Isabell. She looks really nice. She almost looks like a bluey purple. I'll show you. Like next to some of my other colours, I think she's got like a hint of blue in. But she is so pretty. Reminds me of chocolate. I want to eat it, but not really. And then we're moving on to Taylor. Sorry, I'm like miles away there looking. These are really nice. These aren't part of the luxury glitter collections, but these were really nice. So this is Taylor, and this is like a very pale gold. It's really nice. And then Stella was very similar, only she's got more of a brown. She's more brown in her. Very, very nice. I love them so much. I can't tell you how much I love these. I cannot wait to get using them. Oh, I've got another parcel coming today, which you are gonna love. Look, this is Stella. I will do an unboxing as well today, so I might put that up tomorrow. This is Emma. Oh my God, Emma is so nice. This is one of my favorites. She is going to be amazing for winter nails. Look how gorgeous she is with her shimmer. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Oh God, I can't wait to use these. So this is Emma. Look how amazing she is. I love her. But there is one that I have to show you, and you're going to be like, what? This is Agneta. I wanted a soft grey because I feel like in the winter, soft greys are everything. You need like a soft grey to go with a light pink, or just soft greys go with everything in the winter, I think. Look, that's lovely. I've got Euless, but that's a bit darker. This one is a bit softer, a bit lighter. And then I've got Lena. I wanted this in an order I made a little while ago, but this was out of stock. But But this is like one of those, it's pink, but then you're thinking, has it got is it like it's a really nice, it's one of those in-betweeny pinks, you know. I love this one of my favorites now. I was so pleased with all of these colours. Honestly, if you haven't tried Blingline hard gel and you're a hard gel tech, give it a go, because it's such a nice system. Helen, this is the one. This is the one. Are you ready? Are you ready for this? All the mermaid vibes I'm getting. How amazing is that? Oh, I'm going to show you it swatched as well. This one just looks incredible. It's one of those jaw droppers. It's beautiful. If you want to get any discount off any of these, you can use my code NATMUG10, by the way, at the little nail shop. Look! I can't tell you how much I love this. It's incredible. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have an amazing Thursday, although it's probably nearly ended now if you're in the UK. And I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with your watch tomorrow's. It's another unboxing and I'm excited for it. At least I'm going to plan on it being an unboxing. See you tomorrow. Bye.